Berwick Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video of this 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now starting off at the front, I will walk you through, show you a few of the features, and considering it is a 2019, can imagine it is near perfect. So starting off at the front, have got that new take on that dynamic shield look all at the front end. Does look really nice with the chrome splitter in that front grille and the Mitsubishi badging sitting right in the middle. You've got really sharp headlights with the daytime running light just underneath there, and those projector bulbs are going to give you a very clear beam of light. Down the bottom you've also got the fog lights fitted there. First alloy wheel, really nice multi-spoke design there with the chrome exterior and the titanium gunmetal kind of look on the inside. Does tie in very nicely with the grey paintwork as well. You've got color matched side mirrors and door handles, and the indicator is just built into the side mirror there. Now opening the vehicle up, it is keyless entry, so pressing the button on that door does lock the car and fold your mirrors in. When you press it again, it does unlock the car and unfold the mirrors. On the inside, probably the best seats in the whole Outlander range. You get that really nice suede and half leather look. Does add elegance to the interior and is a very comfortable seat as well. Now, where people would usually get lazy and kick the doors open, there are actually very minimal scuffs along that door, so very well looked after. The back windows are privacy glass, but we would highly recommend you get the darkest legal window tint and get the benefits of the UV protection as well. Next alloy wheel, completely unmarked. Now, making our way along to the back, you've got the high mounted stoplight just up there, rear wiper, you've got your rear parking sensors on the back of the bumper there, and opening up the tailgate, plenty of storage in there. So being a 7-seater, you do get that nice 50-50 split in the seats. You can just fold it up just like that, and to put it down, it is just as simple as pulling that tab and folding it back down. Cargo blind in the back to keep everything nice and private, and under here there is a little bit of storage, and the spare wheel is actually underneath the vehicle. Closing that back up, paintwork along this side does present remarkable condition just like the other side, and that next wheel once again completely unmarked. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, being the safe side. And if we keep making our way down to the last alloy wheel now, once again it is actually completely unmarked. So 4 completely unmarked wheels, and paintwork is absolutely spot on. So what we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Look under the bonnet now. What we have is Mitsubishi's iconic MY20 engine. It is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine. The safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars. Power output is 124 kilowatts and torque rating is 220 newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 liters and it will run on 91. Fuel consumption is about 7.2 liters per 100, and the average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, is about 875 kilometers from a full tank. Taking a look inside the Outlander now. On the driver's side door here, you do get all your power window controls. They are all automatic up and down. Above that is the central locking buttons and your window lock. Above that again is a toggle for your power mirrors, including a button to let you actually fold them in. Now on the right hand side here, you've got your forward collision mitigation, distance control, your lane departure warning, and parking sonar on and off. You've also got your headlight adjusters to change the angle of your headlights, traction control, and a button that looks like 2 credit cards, which does actually let you change what you see in the digital display. On the right hand stalk here, you've got all your indicators, as well as fog light controls, automatic headlights, and automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got all your washer and wiper controls. Now the wipers are once again rain sensing, so just leave it in auto, the car will decide when it needs them. On the steering wheel itself, it is a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. I'm pretty sure that is leather wrapped, but on your right hand side here, you've got cruise control and your distance control for the adaptive cruise control. On the left hand side, all your media and hands-free call settings. Now in the center display, you've got your AM and FM radio, iPod connectivity, Bluetooth audio, and USB input. If you go back to the home, you can connect your phone using a USB cable and use your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Down below that, you've got your dual zone climate control, so passenger and driver can have their own temperatures. Below that again, a 12-volt socket, a little insert for your key. Also got USB input just down there, your eco mode, and 2 hidden cup holders. So that little panel there does pop up, and Always good to know you've got cup holders in the front there. Now the shifter itself, very nice leather wrap shifter there. Behind it you've got your electric park brake and auto hold. The vehicle does come with 2 factory keys as well, and that little storage space there. Maybe you wanted to keep your keys in there like I've done. Now the leather wrap center console, when you open it up, plenty of storage in there. Air conditioning vents behind the center console. And if we pan around the interior quickly, it is in remarkable condition, which you'd expect nothing less for a 2019 model and this many kilometers. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this beautiful Outlander. As you can see, it is in incredible condition, so please do not hesitate to come down and have a look at it. Something I would highly recommend is protect your investment. Ask us about the glass coat, because that's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork. It will protect it against bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and much more. It is a great way to keep your vehicle looking exactly like it does the day you pick it up. And let's face it, why would you not want to maintain such a beautiful paintwork? The other thing I would highly recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on top of your existing new car warranty. Protects you on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle, with up to 10 years of platinum roadside assistance and much more included. It is incredible value and a great way to keep your car running, and a great peace of mind. Now, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance options and tailor something to suit your needs, which will work everything in there for you. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to contact us. But before I go, have a look at our Google reviews. 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews from customers Australia-wide. Shows that people do enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easy, and we'd like to ensure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. If you have any questions, once again, the number is 9907055. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.